This time we're supposed to convert meters to feet. We're supposed to use another conversion factor, which says that 1 meter is equal 3.28 feet. So we have 478.3 meters. We have to convert to feet. We're supposed to use the conversion factor. Like I said before, 1 meter is equal 3.28 feet. I want to eliminate meter. In order to eliminate meter, you have to make sure that you are going to have meter in the denominator always. So I can write 1 meter in the denominator, and in the numerator I'm supposed to write 3.28 feet. Meter and meter will cancel out. Keep in mind, we can convert this to improper fraction, and anytime you multiply fractions, multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by the denominator. So you are going to have simply 478.3 times 3.28 feet over 1. This is equal 1.57 times 10 to the third feet. And this is the solution to my problem. It means that 478.3 meters is equal approximately 1.57 times 10 to the third feet.